Hi, mommies. Welcome to Life in Pinas with my Korean Filipino kids. Today, I'll be sharing to you yung mga bagong jackets na binili ko for my Korean Filipino kids, which is very, very useful, lalo-lalo na ngayon, tag-ulan and medyo malamig. Very affordable siya, and then it has a very good quality. So, magkaibang texture ng jacket yung binili ko. Yung isa is yung nylon type, and then yung iba naman or yung isa naman is yung furry type. Let's start sa furry texture. 150 yung size niya, and this is ideal for 7 to 8 years old. Ito yung ginagamit ng second son ko. Meron din siyang pockets. And then sa upper side naman, dito nyo makikita yung size niya sa my neck area, 150. So as I mentioned, ideal siya for 7 to 8 years old. And then I got another color. Itong brown naman. Same din yung quality niya. So parang paiba-iba na lang yung gagamitin nila every other day. So same thing, andon din yung size niya. 150. My kids have like 5 each na magkakaibang kulay na furry jacket. Since fur jacket lahat yung jacket ng mga anak ko, I decided to try naman yung ibang quality. Ito naman is yung nylon type, and then meron siyang hood. Yung second son ko, mahilig siya sa hood. So, tuwang-tuwa siya nung nakita niya itong jacket na to. Yung color na to is orange, and then may mga printed words lang siya sa side. Ito naman is mas malaking size, 160 size ito for my 10-year-old son. Ideal ito for 10 to 12 years old, yung size na 160. Usually, kapag bumibili ako ng jackets or shirts ng mga kids ko, same yung style, magkaiba lang sila ng size. Para mas okay na hindi na ako mahirapan na mag-decide kung ano pang design for my other kid, iisang design na lang ang kinukuha ko. So, yung size lang yung nagkakaiba. So far, yung ganitong style yung nag-work sa akin. And if you're interested to buy this kind of jacket too, nasa message box yung link for this product.